In today's episode of What's on the Porch that wasn't on the porch, because I don't get the stuff off the porch anymore. That has become Christopher's job. We have the Eyescream Beauty Box for the month of July. Let's dig right in and see what I got. Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Eyescream Beauty Box, just in case you didn't know, is a monthly subscription box. I subscribe for 6 months at a time for like $138. Their boxes are normally about $25. The 6-month subscription knocks it down to like $23 or something like that. They also have a little bag that you can do that I think is right around $12.50 a month. Normally when I do these unboxings I try on the products, but this has this ethereal palette in it, which is GLUEliner. It's an 18 color eyeshadow palette, and I am not going to use this palette. It has a shade saver which is falling off because I just recently got the Huda Beauty Naughty palette. And this, that I can't seem to hold up, is a dupe for this. So I am not going to attempt to use this. I am going to probably give it away. And that's why I am not trying on any of the products in this box. I much prefer Huda over GLUEliner. I have tried their products. I'm not real crazy about their formulas. This palette is $19, and it does not say anything on here about it being a dupe for the Naughty palette, but as you can see it looks just like it. In this month's box we got 2 palettes. This is the Delancey, I know I'm not pronouncing that right, multi-chrome eyeshadow palette, and this is a 4-color multi-chrome palette that retails for $25. It says that these multichromes were made to shine bright in the beautiful summer sun. They contain shimmers and can shift between 3 and 4 colors each. The easiest way to see what colors a multichrome, I'm saying that funny, will shift to is to swatch it and lift the colors towards the light and away from the light. You should be able to see the shifting shades. It's purple. It's purple, and you can see a little bit of a shift in this one. This is like a light lavender, and this shifts kind of pink. Very, very pretty. I am going to swatch this because obviously I just totally destroyed my nail polish opening that. Obviously I'm going to keep it, so let's do a little swatchy swatch. Ooh, they're very soft. Very soft. I see gold and somewhat of a lavender. I don't see any more shifts than that. I see a peachy color in that first one now, and the second one has green and lavender, and I see a little bit of blue in that one. That one's pretty. That one has some gold and pink. It looks like in there you can see the purple. Very, very soft. And that is that darkest purple shade. I can see blue and different shades in that. I'm liking that second one that has that green shift to it. Very pretty. Did I tell you that retails for $25? So that's nice. I'm looking forward to trying that out. And then next we have Liquid Duochrome Eyeshadows by Chantico Beauty. And I really do like their products. I have a couple of theirs that I've gotten. One, I believe, was a liquid eyeshadow. These retail for $38, and I'm going to assume that that $38 is for both of them. And we will swatch these as well. I messed up my nail polish opening that box too. These boxes are rough, y'all. Dangerous. They just tearing right on through a girl's manicure. So here are the liquid shadows. Let's see. That's what those look like. Very nice packaging. I don't see a shade name on the package, and I didn't look to see which box I took which one out of course. One of them is 2123Y because it's not giving me a shade name. They're just numbered. It is nice though. They're cruelty free. They are a cruelty-free brand, and these have a 24-month shelf life, and it is nice that it has the lot date on it and also the expiration date. They expire in 2026. But I don't know what the names are. I just have a couple of numbers. So I have been to their website a couple of times because they have beautiful multi-chrome, and they are also very affordable. These don't have numbers on them either. It would be nice to have the numbers at least. It comes with a doe foot, and I don't know if I can get it to. Ooh, that's pretty. It looks very light on the monitor, but I can see pink and purple. That's really pretty, and it's very creamy. And they're squeaky. I don't know if you can hear that. And that's what this one looks like. There you can see the shift on that one a little bit better. That's really pretty. That is a very fall type of shift. So I'm excited about these because, like I said, I have a few others. I think I had them in one of them in my June Shop My Stash. The next item is from Eyescream Beauty, and this is Eyescream highlighter, and it retails for $18. It says sweep across desired areas and gently blend with fingertips. In this it has a little cover on it, which is nice. And it looks like it has a little bit of a shift to it. And that's how much product you get. It's very pretty. I can see some pink, I believe. Let's try it on the other hand. I'm running out of space. Oh, that's really pretty. Very pretty. It's very creamy. It blends out very easy. Doesn't have any smell to it. Do I need to put a little bit of that on my nose? Very nice. Wonder what that would look like. I already have highlighter on my cheek, but oh, that's pretty. Look at that. You can't have too much highlighter, can you? Yeah, that blended out very nice. That is very pretty. Now I'm just beaming on one side. I'm off balance, y'all. So that's very nice. I like that. It says summer is all about glowing skin, so of course we had to include a highlighter. What better shade than Ice Cream? This universal highlighter creates an instant dewy finish with a pearlescent glow. Apply one layer for a subtle effect, or apply multiple layers for more intense highlights. And the last item is a lipstick from Ofra, long-lasting liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Hot Mess Mama. And I believe that Hot Mess Mama is an influencer on YouTube. Yep, that's what it says. This retails for $20. And she has 3 channels dedicated to beauty, vlogging, and cooking. She has also been unboxing our boxes for the past 2 years and has always been an absolute pleasure. We knew we had to feature one product from her collection, and we are happy that we were able to do so. But I'm going to swatch this because I will use their lipsticks. I'm not a fan of their eyeshadows. And that's a very pretty color, very pretty shade. It's creamy. Oh, it smells really good. Did I stick my nose in it? Let's see. I should have tried that first so we could see if it dried down. I have on City Lips. Should I try that? I have on a little bit of City Lips plumping gloss, but let's just, it's almost gone. Let's just put this right over top of it and we'll see how it looks. What do y'all think? That looks kind of washed out on me, doesn't it? I think it might be attempting to dry down on my hand. I'm not 100% positive. The theme for this month, of course, was Independent Queen. And the total value of my box comes to $120. That does feel like it's trying to dry down a little bit. So those are all the products in my Ice Cream Beauty Box for the month of July. Thanks for watching me unbox it. Before you run off somewhere else, make sure that you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.